Hello everyone. So if you're facing this error in your computer, the program can't start because D3DX9 underscore 42.dll is missing from your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that annoying error on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video, and here you're going to select your language first, and then you're going to click download, and then you're going to start downloading this DirectX file and wait for it to download. And once it's done downloading, then you're going to go ahead and install this software on your computer. And once you're done installing it, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer after that. After you're done restarting your computer, now when you try to launch any application, you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.